Who is hiding behind the barn? Listen. A sheep. Ba-ba. Sheep was hiding behind the barn. Ba-ba. Who is hiding behind the barn now? Listen. A cow. Moo, moo. Cow wants to play peekaboo. Moo, moo, peekaboo. Moo, moo, peekaboo. Who else is hiding behind the barn? Listen. A pig. Oink, oink. Our friend Pig. Ah! Don't splash! I wonder who else is hiding behind the barn. Listen. A horse. Neigh, neigh. Come here, horse. Would you like a carrot? Horses love carrots. Let's see who else is hiding behind the barn. Listen. A rooster. Cokc-a-doodle-do. Oh, hi, rooster. Who is that? Can you hear it? A dog! That's my friend Dog! Woof, woof! Come here, dog! Come here! What a way to start my day with all my animal friends! And their silly noises!